children, how are you? I hope that you are fine and safe in your home. Today we will discuss about 4th Maths. The topic is time. In your previous classes, already you learnt days of week and months of year. First of all, I will discuss about that. Days of week. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Which is the first day of a week? Sunday. Which is the 4th day of a week? Wednesday. Which is the last day of a week? Saturday. What is today? Saturday. What was yesterday? Friday. What will be tomorrow? Sunday. See, now we will see the months. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So January has 31 days, February 28 days, but leap year 29 days. March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August also 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. See, leap year only February has 29 days. How can we find a leap year? For example, 2020. This year take. That year is divided by 4 means that is a leap year. Exactly divided by 4 means that is a leap year. So divided by 4. 5 4s are 20. 0. You taken this true. This is not possible, so here put 0. You taken that this 0. 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 20 0. This is exactly divided by 4. This year is a leap year. See the before year 2019. This is not a leap year. 2018, 2017, 2016. This is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. This is a leap year. Why we are using 4 here? Leap year occurs once in 4 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So leap year occurs once in 4 years. See, divisible by 4. See here, another one method. You take last 2 digits. this number is divisible by 4 means that is a leap year. See here 20, 5 4s are 20, so this is a leap year. 19, this is not divisible by 4. 18, this is not divisible by 4. 17, this is not divisible by 4. 16, 4 4s are 16. So this is divisible by 4. So this is a leap year and this also leap year. See here, January 31 days, February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. See, you use the knuckles and calculate the days of a month. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. See, in up comes 31 days. In down comes 30 days except February. February has 28 days but leap year only 29 days. You see here, see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. See, how many months in a year have 31 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months. How many days in a month have 30 days? 1, 2, 3, 4. But leap year only 28 days, 29 days. February has usually 28 days, but leap year only 29 days. See this calendar, 2020 calendar. See, name of the month, numbers of the days in month, numbers of weeks and days. See, January 31 days, already know very well this. See, 4 weeks and 3 days, 31. 1 week equal to 7 days. So, 7 4s are 28, remaining 3 days. Like that, 29, 4 weeks, 1 day. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. 30, 4 weeks, 2 days. 31, 4 weeks, 3 days. Say this is a leap year. So 1 year equal to 366 days. Leap year no. So 366 days. And 52 weeks and 2 days. Now we will see units of time. One day equal to 24 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. See, hours short form H. Minutes short form MIN. Seconds short form SVC. We will see the exercise one by one. First one, convert into hours. 9 days. 4 days, 12 hours. See, 9 days. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 9 days equal to 9 into 24 hours. 9 4s are 36, remaining 3, 9 2s are 18, 21 hours. See, 216 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 9 days equal to 9 into 24 hours. 9 into 24, 216 hours. Here 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 4 days, 12 hours equal to 4 into 24 hours plus 12 hours. 4 4s are 16, remaining 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. 96 hours plus 12 hours. 96 plus 12. 108 hours. See, 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 4 days 12 hours equal to 4 into 24 hours plus 12 hours. 4 into 24 96 hours plus 12 hours 108 hours. Next, convert into minutes. 7 hours. 10 hours. 35 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 7 hours equal to 7 into 60 minutes. See, 7 into 0, 0. 7 6 are 42. So 420 minutes. Here 10 hours 35 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 10 hours 35 minutes equal to 10 into 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. See, 0 into 10 0, 6 into 0 0, 160 6. So 600 minutes plus 35 minutes. 635 minutes. See, 10 hours 35 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 10 hours 35 minutes equal to 10 into 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. 10 into 60, 600 minutes plus 35 minutes, 635 minutes. Next, convert into seconds. 9 minutes. 8 minutes. 45 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 9 minutes equal to 9 into 60 seconds. 9 into 0 0. 54. 9 6 are 54. So 540 seconds. See, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 9 minutes equal to 9 into 60 seconds. 9 6 are 54. 0. 540 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 8 minutes 45 seconds equal to 8 into 60 seconds plus 45 seconds. 0. 8 6 are 48. Or 480 seconds plus 45 seconds. So 480 plus 45. 525 seconds. Next, how many hours are there in the month of April. Here asking hours. So one day equal to 24 hours. See, April month, how many days? You use the knuckles. January, February, March, April. April 30 days. So 30 days equal to 30 into 24 hours. So 0. See, 3 4s are 12, remaining 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 720 hours. See here, how many hours are there in the month of April? One day equal to 24 hours. See, April month total days 30 days. So 30 days equal to 30 into 24 hours. 30 into 24, 720 hours. See here, next question. See, how many hours are there in the month of December? See, here asking hours. So one day equal to 24 hours. December month, how many days? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. December 31 days. So 31 days equal to 31 into 24 hours. 31 into 24. First you take 1's place. 1 4 is 4. 4 3's are 12. Next you take 10's place. 1 2 is 2. 2 3's are 6. 4 4 7. So 744 hours. See, you will see now clock. One day equal to 24 hours. This is 12-hour clock. See, 12 noon divides a day into two zones. This is AM, this is PM. See, the hours running from midnight to noon are AM hours. The hours running from noon to midnight are PM hours. Here midnight, here 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM, 8 AM, 9 AM, 10 AM, 11 AM. Before noon AM, after noon PM, 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 PM, 9 PM, 10 PM, 11 PM. AM means ante-meridian. That means before noon. PM means post-meridian. That means afternoon. See, AM means ante-meridian, before noon. PM means post-meridian, after noon. This is before noon. This is after noon. See, now see the clock. See, the short hand shows hours. The long hand shows minutes. what is the time now? Short hand shows 3 here. So 3 hours. How many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. AM or PM? PM. Why? Afternoon PM. So what is the time now? 3:35 PM. See another one here. The short hand shows hours. So what is the time now? 9, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes. AM or PM? AM. Before noon, AM. See here. He is a Sunil. These are his one day activity. See here. 6 AM Sunil wakes up. 8 AM Sunil used for school. 9 AM classes begin. 12 noon lunch break. 1 PM afternoon classes begin. 3 PM end of school. 4:30 PM Sunil goes out to play. 6:30 PM Sunil favorite cartoon show. 7 PM Sunil does his homework. 8 PM Sunil has his dinner. 9 PM Sunil goes to bed. Before noon, see here, before noon AM, afternoon PM. Dear children, I will give some questions. You practice in your home. First question, you note it down. Convert into hours. Four days, 35 hours. Next question. Convert into minutes. 4 hours, 15 minutes. Next question. Convert into seconds. 11 minutes, 59 seconds. Next question. How many hours are there in the month of October? We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.